right, just put my new LED headlights in. Moment of truth. I'm gonna flip her on, see how she looks. Oh shit, boy. Yeah, I like it. That's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah. Let me flip turn signal on here real quick. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah. That's what I like to see. Woo! Alright, forgot to point out that the lenses are now smoked on the front ones as well, no longer the amber colored. Got the smoked lenses on both of them. I also did the rear ones, no more red lenses. Got the smoked lenses on them. I'm gonna flip the switch here, see the nice brake light LEDs. Oh yeah. Them suckers there. I don't know if I can push the brake in, get a picture of it, and get it. Oh yeah. See them suckers, boy.